Hi Riba, how's it going?
Great, how about you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Are you okay? You look so sad.
Really, in fact, I have a little problem with my homestay, so can you give me your suggestion?
Sure, what's up?
My problem is about host kids. They like to play with me every day, so I can't do my homework in my room. So can you give me your advice?
Well, if I were you, I will do my homework on the bus.
It's too difficult for me because the bus is very noisy and I think I can't focus on my homework. So can you give me another advice?
Well, have you thought about studying in our school library? Because the library is more quiet and there have a lot of table and you also can borrow some textbooks anytime.
That's a good idea, but sometimes I want to study in my room, but my host kids come to my room every day. So what should I do?
Mm, uh, why you try to tell them you must finish your homework, and when you're done your homework, you can play with them.
Oh, that's a good idea. So I will try it from today. So thank you for your advice.
No problem, and I have to go. My class almost start.
Okay, see you.
See
Have
ya.
a nice day.
See ya. You too.
See ya.